Hello and welcome back, and this is chlorophet part 2. We've done the part 1 and then we're going to do the part 2 today. So what we're going to be doing today is just to basically, let's say you have a study area to do and you do not want to select export, so you just wanted to have that study area highlighted from all of this. That's what we're going to do today. So you right click and you go to properties on the very map. So on properties you go to symbology, and then under symbology you go to categories, and then you make selection of all these. So these are names, it contains all the 16 local government in Taraba State. So you want that, and then the next thing you're going to do, if it was before, you click on add values, but this time you're going to add all values. This time you're going to add values. So on adding value, let's say the local government I'm working on, let's say it's Takum. So I'm going to select Takum and OK. So I'm going to change the color that I want it to display. Alright, so I'm going to select the color. Let's say this is what I want, and I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to click on apply. So when you come, you see the Takum is selected and all that. So instead of just coming up to export Takum out again and all that, so you can easily have that done here. So this is another way of doing a chlorophet mapping and all that. So basically this concludes the chlorophet mapping part 1 and part 2. So I'll see you in the next video.